everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can tie the endless falls knot. Let's get started. For this knot you're going to need 2 ropes, and I'm going to take my first rope and attach it to my dowel rod using a reversed lark's head knot. So I just fold that rope in half, take it behind my dowel rod, over, and pull the 2 strings through the loop. Before I pull this knot all the way tight, I'm going to insert a second rope. I'm going to take the second rope and I'm just going to slide it right through my lark's head knot on the side. And pull it through until the rope is even. Just like that. And now I'm just going to pull my reverse lark's head knot tight to tighten everything and hold everything in place. Just like that. So now it looks like I have 4 ropes hanging off from one lark's head knot. Once you have prepared your ropes, it is now time to start tying the knot. I'm going to take the 2 ropes here on the outer sides and cross the left rope over the right. So you're forming an X and you kind of have 2 loops here off to the side. I like to kind of hold everything at the X point with my thumb, and then taking the side on the right, I curl it up to go through the right loop. Just like that. And then I do the same on the left. So the left center rope goes over and through the loop on the left side. Then I just take those ropes, the ones that we crossed over, and I pull them to tighten. Just like that. And now I'm just repeating these steps. So I take the left rope to cross over the right. I have an X and kind of 2 loops off to the side, and I curl the right rope up and through that loop. And I repeat by taking the left rope to curl up and through the left loop. And then I just pull everything to tighten. I take those 2 ropes again to cross over themselves and repeat. There we go. So this is how you can tie the endless falls knot. What's great about this knot is you have multiple sides to this. So you have this beautiful front side, then you have the actual side which gives off this very pretty pattern, and then on the back side you have another beautiful pattern that's kind of a woven looking shape. So the whole thing is gorgeous, which gives you plenty of choices on how to use this. So you can use this in plant hangers, you can use this as a handle for a bag, a keychain, you could even use this in wall hangings. So this knot has a lot of possibilities on how you can use it. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.